Don't look at me, work. Right. Keep it on high, baby. Keep it on what? Keep it on high, baby. Right. There you go, there. Keep it on high. Welcome back to Keep It On High. If this is your first time tuning in, welcome. So I've documented this new construction custom build that's been done by Capstone Construction, all with drones. I've completely filmed each stage up to now. If you've been following along, you can tell this house is painted now. But let's go back and see how we got here. Today I'll be showing both the interior and exterior paint. It was a multi-day process, but I'm gonna do a recap of it all and we're gonna keep it on high. Check it out. Now that's all for the exterior. If you're curious about what's going on the remaining green sheathing, stay tuned. That video is coming soon. Go ahead and comment what do you think it will be. Now let's fly inside and check out the interior paint. Shout out to my wife on the day she can come out and be my visual observer. There you go, there. Keep it on high. Hey, don't stop. Keep it on high, baby. Always.